This job started out as a typical pull handle replacement. You can see part of the handle, the T part of it was cracked off, and my plan was to untie the rope inside and quickly install a new handle on the rope. You know, a 5-minute quick repair job. Untie the rope, put the new handle on, tie it back up. But I neglected to take the precaution of tying a large knot further down on the rope, and it slipped out of my hand and all wound up inside the recoil pulley assembly, which meant a total rewind of the pull start mechanism. Let's go through the whole process here. We will get this done quickly and show you what you need to do to repair a recoil. There's where the rope comes out at, and there's going to be screws around the edges of the plastic cover plate. The part here where the fan is, and it says Briggs & Stratton on it, there's going to be 3 screws that we remove to pull this cover plate off. And you can see how it easily lifts right off once those screws are removed. Next, we'll remove the fuel tank by removing the 3 5/16" screws that go down through the top into the shroud, and then a 3/8" bolt that goes through the side underneath the gas tank to the crankcase. Once those are out, the whole assembly will lift right up and out of the way. This gives us access to the 4 3/8" bolts that hold the fan shroud on. 2 in the rear that are vertical, and 2 in the front into the cylinder head that are horizontal. We'll remove those 4 bolts, and then we can remove the 5/16" bolt into the oil dipstick tube, rotate it around to the side down to the way, and lift the entire fan shroud up and off of the crankcase housing. Now we're going to pull the rope out, work it out through the access hole and around the edge until the whole rope is wound out and free. Holding the housing in one hand and grasping the pulley in the other hand, we're going to wind it counterclockwise and tighten the spring up as tight as it will go. I shouldn't force it too hard, but you'll feel an easy stop point when you get to a certain point about 4 times around where it just won't go any further. And that is where you need to stop winding and then reverse the pulley back so that the rope access hole lines up with the hole in the pulley to put your rope in. Reach to the bottom, secure the pulley with either a pair of pliers or 2 fingers, and then use your other hand to push the rope through the access hole, through the pulley wheel, and knot it at the end. Now, don't do what I did and let the rope get sucked back into the pulley. You need to either tie it off right where it goes into the recoil assembly at, or get the end piece put on before you push the rope through into the pulley and tie it off. So first we're going to slide the pulley handle down over the rope, and then we're going to push the rope into the center part of the pulley handle through the center hole with just like 3 or 4 inches sticking out. And then we're going to tie a knot in the end of the rope, pull the knot back into the silver pulley handle, not over the end like this, but down through the center, and then insert the silver pulley handle down into the rubber pull start handle that you've already placed on the rope, and we should be good to go.